Looking for reliable roofing services in Somerville, Massachusetts? FRS Roofing plus Gutters is here to help with all your roofing needs. Roof replacement is an important aspect of maintaining a home. Our team ensures your roof is always in top condition. The age and condition of the roof, as well as the harsh climate, can all impact the need for replacement. We provide expert evaluations and solutions. Choosing the right roofing material is crucial for your home's protection. We offer a wide range of high-quality options to suit your needs. It is important to work with a reputable contractor to ensure that the roof is installed properly. Our experienced professionals guarantee a flawless installation every time. Our roofing services in Somerville include thorough inspections and maintenance. We identify potential issues early to prevent costly repairs. Trust our roofing experts for all your roof replacement needs. We are committed to delivering exceptional service and superior craftsmanship. Protect your home with professional roofing services. Our experts are ready to handle any roofing challenge. Call us today at 781-322-6252 to schedule a consultation. Experience the difference with our roofing professionals. Discover the benefits of working with a trusted local roofing company. Visit our website at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Somerville for more information. FRS Roofing plus Gutters, your trusted partner for quality roofing solutions. Let us take care of your roofing needs in Somerville.